Let's talk about it. This is the EF111A Raven, and this is from FLYMODEL GOMIX. This is a highly modified kit from FLYMODEL. It is originally the EF111A, and I have massively decided to recolor, redraw panel lines and all to try fit a Raven. So here you have, this would be where you have the ECM, the countermeasure, the jammers located on the tail that's supposed to be up here, and you have the stabilizer. Here we have the nose. I will try to find out the details I forgot, but I had to make sure we had a proper decal and the proper setup. So this is scale, authentic scale compared to what actually is there. And of course, like I said, this is based on the aardvark. So this is FLYMODEL's original, and as you can see, beautiful layout, right? And we just attach the pod on the tail and change it to a Raven. And you can see they show you how to do the cross profile of the wing, the main wing, the channel that's here. It shows you the tail section, and they go into detail showing you how to achieve each thing. And here you have the framework. Here you have the built-in how to make it rotating. I'm confused to what I want to do. I'm confused about the plan. Should I make it rotating? Should I fix it in position? That's something that I'll think about in the future. And here we have it in its retracted position and the extended position. There's a part of me that's seriously contemplating doing it as both retracted and extended like this to show both configuration. And of course the details, the missile, the paved way, the regular 2,000 pounders or 500 pound, the main landing gear. It's really a beautiful kit now that I'm looking on it. And as we continue with what the panel is, of course, I use 160 sheet as stiffener at this scale. I'm just using it to stiffen the formwork, what's needed. And of course, we have the engine detail, and then tail section part of it. And this is supposed to be internal sections for not just the engine but for the wheel well. And here, this is where the doublers would go. So I would glue now another sheet, 160 gram sheet, and cut, and that would be my basis for my formwork. Again, more formwork. Here we have, this is the top side of the aircraft. So all this formwork will go into forming the shape. Again, I told you that I have this as doublers, so I'll just glue this onto this, and then we cut. And then we have now the top side. And then you have the wings, main wing. As you can see, the detail I add, the nose step, the walkway, which is on the inside. And then, of course, this was done computerized to make sure we have everything looking even, asymmetrical. It's just an upgrade to an old drawing. And of course, fuel tank area for refueling, and then a spare forward fuselage area, because I know I'm going to need it with the amount of mistake I know I'm going to be making. Cockpit area, instrument panel. This is going to be a lovely kit to attempt to build. So pretty much this is it. The aardvark changed to a raven. I would seriously tell you, go visit their site, look at what they have to offer, because they have some really incredible kits that you can purchase. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good, relax, be at peace, and above all, one love.